regarding the booking, I will say that it is because the time limit is there. I mean, you cannot book your cylinder before 25 days. That may be the reason why some people are not able to do it. That is one. Second thing is, state governments are the best judge to identify and to prioritize the consumer in their area. So whether it has to be like we have already prioritized that educational institution should be supplied, they should not be cut, and the hospitals, the supply has to be maintained. Similarly, the state government, the district magistrates can also prioritize who are the consumers to whom the supply should be made. देखिए, आज जो सिचुएशन हम देख रहे हैं वो हमने रिसेंट पास में कभी नहीं देखी है. सो स्ट्रेट ऑफ हॉर्मूज बंद होने से उसका इम्पैक्ट हमारे डोमेस्टिक सप्लाईज पर है. अब इस सिचुएशन में व्हाट आर द बेस्ट सोल्यूशन अवेलेबल टू अस so that we ensure the supplies, at the same time we stop diversion and hoarding has been exercised by the government. So for urban consumers, yes, the booking days is 25 days, I mean cycle, and for rural consumers since yesterday night it has been increased. देखिए, आपके थ्रू हमारी सभी नागरिकों से यही अपील है कि पैनिक होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है और पैनिक बुकिंग की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. सप्लाईज़ हैं और सबको सिलेंडर्स मिल रहे हैं. भारत सरकार जो भी कर सकती है, जिस भी फ्रंट पर कर सकती है, वो किया जा रहा है और ये इंश्योर किया जा रहा है कि सप्लाईज़ मेंटेन हो. आपके सामने आप देख रहे हैं कि किसी रिटेल आउटलेट पर कोई ड्राई आउट नहीं है. पेट्रोल, डीजल सभी को अवेलेबल है. इसी तरह एलपीजी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स के पास भी कोई ड्राई आउट रिपोर्टेड नहीं है. सिलेंडर्स हैं, बुकिंग हो रही है और लोगों को सिलेंडर मिल रहे हैं. लेकिन इसमें एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात यह है कि पैनिक में आकर हम ये देख रहे हैं कि पिछले कुछ दिनों में कई गुना बुकिंग बढ़ गई है. तो ये एक मेरा सबसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि पैनिक बुकिंग ना करें, अफवाहों पर विश्वास ना करें, और हम ये आश्वस्त करते हैं कि हम जो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, वी आर डूइंग ऑल द बेस्ट टू एंश्योर that the cylinder reaches all the consumers' households. So today is the 13th day of the war and the Hormuz for the commercial shipping is closed. This is very important in the context that we do take a lot of import from the Strait of Hormuz, although after the intervention of the government, as on today, more than 70% of our import is coming, as I told you yesterday also, is coming through the routes other than Strait of Hormuz. So as far as the crude is concerned, the situation is quite comfortable, and I told you yesterday also that we use almost 55 lakh barrels of oil every day. One more thing that I will like to bring to your notice is that we are the 4th largest refiner in the world, and this is something which is giving us a lot of comfort in terms of the availability of the products like petrol and diesel. As you already know that on 9th of March, we have Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas has issued order under Essential Commodities Act, which has directed all the refineries to maximize the production of LPG, and as a result of that, the production has increased. Yesterday I told you 25%, now it is 28% of our domestic production. So that is the increase. We have a very vast network of retail outlets. Almost 1 lakh retail outlets are operating in the country, and majority of these are with public sector oil marketing companies. And no dry out has been reported on any of these retail outlets. So regarding natural gas, some of the imports were affected because of the force majeure clause, but the alternate arrangements have been made. And other than that, for the demand side management, both to do the demand and supply side management, the control order has also been issued, and regarding that, it was briefed yesterday also. Now, let me come to the supply of LPG. I mean, you know that we import almost 60% of our LPG, and most of it, almost 90%, comes from Strait of Hormuz. So it's a difficult situation, but government is making all efforts to ensure that the supply to the domestic consumers is ensured. As I already said, that the refining LPG production in the refinery has enhanced. We have almost 25,000 distributors throughout the country, and we deliver almost 50 lakh cylinders on daily basis. On the distribution side also, no dry out has been reported, but there is a manifold increase in the booking because of the panic. We urge the citizens to avoid panic booking, and all efforts have to be made to conserve the fuel wherever possible during this period of global uncertainty. Regarding non-domestic LPG or the commercial LPG, as already told, we have prioritized certain sectors like hospitals and educational institutions. And for rest of the consumers, a 3-member committee of the executive directors of the oil marketing companies has been formed. They have received certain representations, they have gone through it, and a major decision has been taken, and it has been decided that some commercial cylinders will also be released, and but here the role of the state government is going to be very important, and state government have been requested through the oil marketing companies to identify the list of the beneficiaries so that the delivery of the cylinder, commercial cylinder, can be made on a priority basis. And also, this is important because we want to avoid hoarding or black marketing. Regarding alternate, I mean, this is one side of the picture, but the effort is to make other fuels also available to the consumers. And so, alternate fuel options are being activated to ease pressure on LPG and gas channels. On quarterly basis, Government of India does an allocation of kerosene to the states, and every quarter we are making an allocation of almost 1 lakh kiloliter. Today the order has been released, and another 48,000 kiloliter of kerosene will be released to the state governments. And here again the role of the state government is very crucial in terms of identification of the beneficiaries and also the distribution. Other than that, Ministry of Coal has also issued a letter yesterday, and the directions have been issued to Coal India Limited and Singareni to allot higher quantities of coal to the state, so that supplies can be made to the small, medium, and other consumers. Ministry of Environment, MOEFCC has also advised the state pollution control boards to permit for the duration of this crisis period the use of biomass, RDF pellets, kerosene or coal as alternate fuel for hospitality and restaurant segments for 1 month, which would enable a wider range of establishment to switch and free up the LPG for priority consumers. The senior officials of oil marketing companies are in touch with all the state governments, and they have been directed to brief the state government on daily basis on supply situation, priority sequence, and enforcement framework. District level committees are being established to monitor the supply situation and to stop diversion. Thank you.